Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art, where you can learn to pretty much draw anything and we make it easy, okay? Today we're gonna draw a jellyfish. I think jellyfish are pretty cool. They pulse through the water and they live in the ocean. So jellyfish can have all kinds of different colors and they can be dangerous. So I think jellyfish are pretty cool, so we're gonna draw one today. Make sure you have your paper. Make sure you have something to draw with, like a pencil, a marker, and make sure you guys have any colors that you're going to use today. We're going to use some blue, some greens, and some purples. But you guys can make that any color you want. All right, so let's get started. All right, first we're going to make the top of the jellyfish, okay? So the top of the jellyfish is kind of going to be like an upside down U shape, kind of a big U shape. So we're going to start at the top and just make kind of like a curve coming down, okay? And I think my jellyfish is going to be kind of sideways today, so I'm going to start like over here. So kind of like a curve down. Okay, make sure your curve's big and open, not too like tight. All right, and at the ends of these, we're just going to kind of make a slight line out. You guys can see? Slight line out, and on this side same thing, slight line out. You guys can see it. All right, and then we're going to kind of slowly curve that around like that on the ends, and then we're just going to kind of do a light indents, kind of scallop like a shell all the way across. Very subtle, not a ton. See, I'm kind of doing that scallop shell shape. And one more. There. It does not have to be perfect. It can look organic. It's a creature, remember guys. Okay, we're gonna do one more line kind of underneath that, and you don't have to follow the same line. You can be kind of random too. It's totally fine. Out, and this will be kind of like another curvy line. This will be kind of like the inside of the jellyfish's, I guess, insides, his guts. I'm not sure. I thought it looked good. All right. Okay, right where each of these scallops kind of comes up to a small point, we're gonna just kind of do a small line up. We'll start in the middle, straight up, kind of like that. And then on these sides, we're going to kind of curve them in towards the middle, and on this side, we're going to curve it this way towards the middle, so it has a little bit of a round shape. You guys can see, kind of curving in, and this way it's going to curve back into the center. You guys can see that? So it kind of gives that shape. Not all your lines should be straight up, right? Okay, cool. Kind of extend those a little bit. No worries, guys. Make it how you think looks good, and then stop there. Once it looks good, stop, right? The best part about a pencil is that you can erase and make changes. Okay, let's stop there. For the head looks pretty good. Now they're kind of see-through, kind of transparent, kind of look like jelly, right? So very light, and we're gonna kind of do the jellyfish brain, okay? I'm just gonna kind of make this funky looking. We're going to start at the bottom of this line, kind of a light line, kind of just a squiggly, funky shape in here. That'll be the jellyfish brain. Nice and light, not too dark, because it's going to be see-through, remember? Now we're going to take those lines and kind of continue his brain into like the middle of his body. Just keep curve those S shapes and curvy lines coming out. And remember, they don't have to match. We're going to keep coming across here and get smaller as we go for his tentacles. Okay, this is kind of like his middle brain stem. Again, we're just making those funny curvy lines all the way until it gets to the end. And you could go off the page if you guys want. We're just going to end it there. That's kind of the central nervous system, his brain. All right, and then we're going to have tentacles coming off on the sides. Okay, so we'll start here. long curvy lines, just kind of like if you guys saw the octopus video, same thing. You can make them go anywhere you want. I'm gonna have mine kind of flowing this way, kind of with the brainstem. Okay, mine are gonna go off the page a little. I'm just gonna follow those lines. There's one there, there's one here. Maybe this one curves up behind. Sure. If you guys aren't ready for that, don't do that yet, that's fine. It just kind of goes behind his leg. Maybe this one goes in front and off the page. I'm gonna keep going over the brainstem, no worries, guys. I'm just gonna keep adding tentacles, as many as you want, doesn't matter to me. And remember, they're in the water, so think about your flow, right? Your tentacles are gonna kind of have the same sort of flow. Don't make anything too crazy. Jellyfish don't move too fast. And they don't really move quickly. This one I think is gonna go behind. Here, no worries. Okay, I think that looks good for now. Okay, remember, all of our tentacles can go off the page or they can go on the page, whatever you guys want. All right? Okay, so I think that's pretty good for now. We're gonna outline it. I'm gonna go through it real quick. Now anything, I'm gonna start outlining the tentacles first because some of these tentacles are in front of this brainstem that's in the middle, in the back. Okay, imagine it's like in the center of the jellyfish. So I'm gonna do the tentacles first and then the rest of the jellyfish. So pay attention when I'm outlining and then we're gonna color and come right back. We'll talk after, okay? Here we go, happy coloring. All right, guys, we are all set and all done with our awesome, colorful jellyfish. I decided to do kind of like some almost like iridescent colors, blue greens with some pinks in there. But you guys can do yours any way you want, absolutely. And I hope yours came out just as good, if not better than mine. And remember to subscribe and like the channel for all the newest drawings. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And please take it easy.